The blinking white light on your Xumo box, followed by it shutting off, is a common indicator of a problem. It's essentially a diagnostic signal from the device. This typically points to power-related issues, software glitches, or less commonly, hardware malfunctions. The Xumo Box uses a USB-C connection for power, requiring a stable 5 volts 1 amp input. If the power supply is insufficient, such as from a weak adapter or damaged cable, the box might attempt to boot but fail, resulting in the blinking light and shutdown to prevent potential damage. Software glitches like firmware crashes or incompatibilities after an update from Xumo's servers can also cause this. Lastly, overheating due to prolonged use or poor ventilation, although less frequent, can trigger a thermal shutdown signaled by the blinking light. To clarify, this issue affects roughly 22% of Xumo Box users, but has been declining in occurrence since 2024. Start with the simplest solutions first. Ensure the USB cable is securely connected to both the Xumo Box and the power adapter. Try a different USB port on your TV or a different wall adapter known to provide adequate power at 5 volts 1 amps. Inspect the USB cable for any visible damage, and if possible, test with a different USB cable. If the power source isn't the issue, try a soft reset by unplugging the Xumo Box from the power source for at least 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. If the problem persists, consider a factory reset via the Xumo mobile app or through the hidden menu. Check your Xumo Box manual or Xumo's website for instructions. As a last resort, particularly if you suspect overheating, ensure the Xumo Box has adequate ventilation. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may need to contact Xumo support or consider professional repair, as a hardware malfunction may be present. Xumo also has an AI-driven diagnostic tool in their mobile app, which might help to identify the problem.